Hello everyone, my name is Rishika Yadav. Today I am as a reporter. Today I am as a reporter. As we know, we have a very special guest, Mrs. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. She is very popular and she is very famous political leader. And so, tell me about your journey. So, hello ma'am.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am also fine. Thank you for asking me. So, ma'am, my first question is, what inspired you to become a political leader?
Okay, actually, I inspired myself when I saw the difficulties that normal people face in their daily life, and some difficulties are also faced by the farmers and many peoples. And I also seen that our constitution and nation not go in the correct way. She that also face the that also is the danger. So that's why I go with the politics.
Okay, but ma'am, there are many political party like BJP. But why are you choosing Indian? Why are you choose to the Congress party?
So the main reason of choosing the Congress party is that because the member of the my family are also in the Congress party, and I also saw my grandparents that are also in the party, and I saw what they do for our country, what they serve for the people of the country. That's why I choose this.
So okay, so my next question is, how will you improve the how will you improve the challenges in women for of women?
Okay, firstly, I talk about the women empowerment. I work to the education system of India. Education should be provided by the women's also, because if woman is educated, then it will be independent. No had they independent and they can make themselves successfully. And also, I provide this safety to the women's, because there is many problems that happen in the women's if they get educated, and while independent they can handle all type of problems. So these things I want to do, like best education I should provide.
Okay, but my next question is, if you got a chance, so how will you improve? How will you help to the farmers and communities?
If I got a chance to, how I improve, firstly I go with the farmers and see that the facilities of the farmers they don't get. So I will go the rural areas and also work with the education, because in the rural area the government schools are not good, not well. Then I worked in the education system. I go the schools and also provide the best training to the government teachers also, because as you know there are lots of teachers are educated and they go with government, but they don't give the perfect information knowledge to the students. They only waste their times and go with their homes. So I go with the education system and also provide the facilities to the government schools farmers also.
Okay, so my next question is, what do you think for a good leader should have?
So, according to me, if the qualities of the good leaders are like they be honest for their peoples of their country. If they like that, if someone and what how they see the peoples, if they have faced problems, they can solve the problems. Not only see the money that regarding to that, only work for the welfare of the public of the country. Our so these things I do.
Okay, so my next question is, if you got a chance, so how will you help to improve our education system in India?
So, if we talk about the education system, firstly, I get checked the like government schools. As we know, there are lots of students don't have their lots of money. They can go with the government schools, but when we talk about the government school, their teachers are not good. Well, teaches the students. Firstly, I provide the good teaching to the teachers. That's why they provide the good education system to the students.
Okay, so my next question is, how was your field to become a political leader?
I feel very proud because in that situation, I work for the I serve myself for the people of the country. I do my best for our country also. and I want to help the needed peoples also.
Okay. Who inspired you a lot to become a political leader?
Okay, so as you know, my grandmother, Indira Gandhi, I saw my grandmother that how they solve the problems of the peoples and how they deal with the different situation and what things they do for the peoples of the country. So that's from that way I. She is also my role model. That's why I go with that.
Okay. So my next question is, what do you want to bring an India?
Actually, I want to that all the peoples of the India get educated. If if the peoples are educated, they can have they have a mind to how they develop our country. If someone educated, they go with the good way. No, as you know, in our country, their unemployment is very. So I also work with the provide the employment to the peoples.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this valuable time. Thank you.